Congratulations on purchasing your Chore Warrior. I'm going to show you some of the basics on how this works. First and foremost, it's a wheelbarrow. You can wheel it, you can roll it, do whatever you need to it. It's got power. You can turn the power on. Your battery indicator, this is showing it's full. That red light means power is on. You've got a forward and reverse. Your thumb throttle is a variable speed. The more you push it, the faster you'll go. I'm going to put it in reverse, hit the thumb throttle a little bit, and look at that. Forward, off it goes. This is an electric wheelbarrow, motorized, uses a battery. So to charge the wheelbarrow, this comes with your charger. There's two ways to charge this. One, just plug it in right here. You can plug your charger in right there, the other end into an outlet. The other, the battery cable plugs in here. This will plug in here and plug into an outlet. Your battery pack, located right here. This is easily removable, so you can take it out, charge it. This is ergonomically balanced for dumping, makes it very easy. The whole unit only weighs about 90 pounds. When you need it, turn the power on, you're good to go. This unit will hold 350 pounds and haul you up a 15-degree incline. On an average, you'll get about 8 hours of use out of your battery pack. Since you now have this, if any questions come up, you have your manual instructions. On the back, there's the phone number, 651-370-7508. We're here Monday through Friday to help you out. Feel free to call us. Have a great day, and thank you again.